You wake up one morning and something feels off. Not sad, not happy, just empty. You grab your phone. Notifications flood your screen. Everyone seems to be moving forward. New jobs, new relationships, new goals, while you lie there, still unsure what you're even doing with your life. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. And deep down, you know you're wasting time you'll never get back. Let me tell you the truth. You're not lazy. You're lost. And being lost is the most painful place a man can live. Being lost doesn't always mean doing nothing. Sometimes it means doing everything except what matters. You try a new habit, a new course, a new routine, but nothing sticks because you're searching for feeling, not foundation. You chase pleasure because it's easy. You avoid pain because it's real. And you tell people, "I'm just figuring things out," when in truth, you haven't taken a real risk in years. In school, they told you who you were through grades. But when school ended, no one told you how to define yourself. You scroll through your feed late at night. One reel turns into 50. You laugh, you swipe, you scroll, and hours disappear into nothingness. You look in the mirror, and you don't recognize the man staring back. That's the silent chaos. Directionless, comfortably numb, afraid to admit it. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not a mentor, not a course. Every man reaches a point when he realizes he's completely on his own. And that truth, it either breaks you or builds you. You've been waiting for motivation, waiting for clarity, waiting for a sign. But waiting is the reason you feel lost. You're not behind in life. You just stopped moving. You live in a world built to keep you distracted. Instant gratification is your daily drug. Every notification gives your brain a dopamine hit, rewiring your neural pathways to crave comfort instead of progress. The more convenient life becomes, the weaker your drive gets. You can escape into games, scroll through fake success, order food, binge shows, all from bed. Everything's easy, except living with yourself. Modern comfort killed the hunger that made men strong. Schools trained you to obey, not to think. Society told you to find yourself, but never taught you how to build yourself. Psychologists call it decision fatigue. Too many options, too little meaning. You're not weak, you're overloaded. You've been trained to consume, not to conquer. But pain can be your compass. When life feels meaningless, that's not failure. It's a message. It's your soul whispering, "Wake up, you're not done yet." You don't need a perfect plan. You need one small decision, one act of rebellion against your comfort. Go for that run. Wake up early. Write one page. Do one hard thing today. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from moving. Every man has a moment when he says, "I'm done being comfortable." And that's the day his real life begins. Discipline is not punishment. It's self-respect. Every time you do something hard, you teach your brain one truth. I can trust myself. And when you can trust yourself, everything changes. Your confidence, your peace, your direction. You don't find purpose, you build it. Brick by brick, habit by habit. The opposite of being lost isn't being found, it's being focused. Neuroscience calls it identity-based habits. Every consistent action rewires your brain, shifting you from trying to becoming. You stop chasing motivation, you start embodying momentum. Here's where you start. Step 1. Reclaim your attention. Cut the noise, delete distractions. Give your brain silence again. Step 2. Move your body. Strength is clarity in physical form. Step 3. Do one thing every day that makes you proud. Small wins, daily momentum. Step 4. Surround yourself with challenge. Seek resistance, not comfort. Step 5. Reflect weekly. Don't measure how you feel. Measure what you did. These steps won't fix everything overnight, but they'll remind you that you were never powerless. Weeks pass. You wake up earlier. You breathe deeper. The fog isn't gone, but it's lighter. You no longer drown in distractions. You create your own direction. The world hasn't changed. You have. You're grounded. You're certain. You're becoming a man who leads himself. And that changes everything. You were never lost. You were just standing still. The path was always there, waiting for you to take the first step. Stop searching for yourself. Start building yourself. Because clarity isn't given, it's earned.